soon as I turn my radio on, just for a couple of seconds, it will show my Selcal number, okay, which is 21980. Okay, that's gone away. Now I'll just hit on the top of the microphone. There's a button. Yeah. I press it briefly, and you'll see it's got my home number on there. So I hold the button down for a second. Okay, and it sends a message to the other radio, and that double beep you just heard was my other radio telling me that it's received my call. Okay, now I'll use my handheld here. It's the exact same as the Nissan. If I just send a Selcal number, okay, I'll soon find the handheld one. Okay, that's the handheld one. Just shows you exactly how the call goes. And once that beeping stops, it will continue to beep just once every second or so, just to let you know that someone's called you.